In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your drill bit on a DeWALT cordless drill. So the first thing you want to do is hold the drill securely with your right hand. You want to get your left hand on the chuck here. You want to be holding this bit. You don't want to be holding this bit at the end. You want to hold this bit, which is the chuck. So if you're doing it the safe way, it's better to remove the battery first. So we'll take the battery out, put that over there. Got our drill back here. So support it with your right hand. And then what you want to do with your left hand is just turn this chuck, and that releases the jaws around the drill bit. If you're wanting to do this the quick way, you can add the battery back in. Add the battery back in. You want to make sure your drill's in reverse by pushing this button here. Again, you want to hold the chuck firmly with your left hand and slowly let the drill unwind the chuck and your drill bit comes out. You can clearly see what's happening here when I go close up. So if we've got our drill in forward, you can see the chuck tighten. And if we've got our drill in reverse, you can see the chuck loosen. And all you need to do is pop your drill bit back in, flick it into forward, tighten it up. And to check your drill bit's running true, you can always blip the trigger and just check that there's no movement in the drill bit and it runs straight.